This is how to play zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo, zenu, right? So I think the original key of this song is the key of G, right? But I'll be showing you how to play the song using the key of C sharp as always, right? So the progression of this song is very, very easy. Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. So it starts right here on this chord, right? Pause the video and watch the chord closely. From this chord, it comes to this one, right? From this one, it comes to this one, and it goes back to the second one, right? Which is this one, right? This is our first one, this is our second one, this is our third one, and then back to our second one, right? So when we hit the first chord, we go to number 4 on the left, which is this one. From number 4, we go to number 1. From number 1, we go to number 5. From number 5, we go back to number 1, right? This is where the song says, zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo, zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo, zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo, zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo, right? It's very, very easy. So because it's too easy, we're going to improve it on the left so that it can sound even more nice, right? So that it can sound even more nice. So before you hit number 4 on your left, you want to first play number 1, 2, and then you're going to hit this 4, and then you're going to hit lower 4, right? It's going to be, right? Right? You're gonna have to practice this one a lot because you're gonna be doing it fast, right? So you're gonna have to practice a lot. So it's gonna be 1, 1, 2, 4, and then lower 4. When you move from this chord to this one, before you hit number 1 on the left, you wanna say 5, 6, 1, lower 1, right? 5, 6, 1, lower 1, right? It's zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo, right? From here, you're gonna hit number 5, right? This one. But before you hit number 5, you're gonna play again 1, 2, and then 5, lower 5. Right? 1, 1, 2, this 5, and then lower 5. Right? It's gonna be zenzeleni, imizila. Let me split it. Zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo, zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo, zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo, zenzeleni, imizila, inyawo. Right? I hope everyone understands it. So it's not easy. You're gonna have to practice it a lot, right? It's not easy. You're gonna have to practice this one. So let me play it with the beat so that you can hear how it sounds when it has the beat.